Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by locating the exact file and confirming it's not in use. If it's open, save changes and close Excel, otherwise a lock will block deletion. Once done, verify file type, XLSX, XLS, or XLSM, because you might want a backup for macro-enabled workbooks. Make sure you're signed into the account that has delete rights. If not, switch users or request permission. Now navigate to the folder where the file resides and select the file once. With the file selected in File Explorer, press Delete to send it to the recycle bin. This is reversible if you change your mind. If you want permanent removal right away, press Shift plus Delete. Be careful, because that bypasses the recycle bin. Once deleted, empty the recycle bin to reclaim disk space. Make sure there are no other items you want to keep. If the file is on OneDrive, use the OneDrive web or client interface to delete, and then clear its recycle folder there. To finalize, confirm the file is gone from both the local folder and cloud storage if applicable. If you hit a file in use message, close all Excel instances, check Task Manager for lingering Excel, exe, or reboot. That usually releases locks. If deletion fails due to permissions, right-click Properties to view owner and request admin help or take ownership where allowed. And if you deleted the wrong file, immediately restore it from the recycle bin or your OneDrive recycle folder.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.